It is Thursday, currently Thursday. It's almost 8:30 this morning. About an hour ago, I dropped off my oldest son to school. So now I'm stuck with my two little ones. Today, I do have a lot I have to do. Have to drop off a return, two different places, to an Asian store, and do a few pickups at a grocery store. So I'm gonna have you guys tag along, so just keep on watching. Alright, so I gotta start some laundry. I believe, who is it? Oh, Calvin. He had an accident, so I'm gonna be changing out his bed sheets in here in his room. It's a big mess in here, so I don't even think I want to show you guys. Okay, so I'm in my laundry room. It took a while. They have so many blankets in there. Like, they just love it, and I don't want to take that away from them. Of course, they don't sleep with all of it. It's just kind of like a little covering for like the side of their bunk bed, and oh crap. Gotta make sure I even this out. And then to kind of like cover up the sides of the mat, like on the outside of the mattress. That way they don't fall in the cracks. Okay, so while these are running, we're gonna go ahead and head out. So just keep watching and follow along. Here, come. Come on.
Do it. I'll do it.
Let's go in the car.
I'll go first. I'll go second.
First, I need my keys to get in the car.
I'll go first. A second. Yeah, second. No, not second. A second.
Sit down.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Go away, go away, go away. Go away, go away.
we'll go to Cobble's first. Okay, let's cross this crossroad. First stop, Target. This car, right here. Stay over here, baby. are really cute, and they're only 18 bucks.
Toys. All about toys. Oh, see that? Most all about toys. All about toys. Oh, you that?
This looks like butter. How soft it is.
Chocolate? Yeah. Oh,
A new soap dispenser for the bathroom. That looks cute. These are really cute baskets too. But their shower curtains are so cute. They're only 20 bucks. I really like this one here. This one's cute too.
Give me that.
Super soft. Oh, these are more soft and fuzzy.
Mine.
It's nice and soft, isn't it?
Mine.
Oh,
Not for me.
Where's the other one?
Out.
Which box? You got a farm? Look at the tractor. We have this one at home already.
I want to buy egg.
Here you go, Ken.
I want egg. Mommy, I want egg. I want my egg. I want people.
Oh, you see the Adopt Me? Look at it.
Oh,
You have some of these at home. These were the mystery boxes.
they said egg. They ate it all.
Yeah, but where's... Oh my gosh, look at this one too. Look, it's big. It's cute. Moana.
Where's Malcolm?
Mario. There's Tails. What is it? Oh, Star Wars?
Yeah.
Those are all Star Wars.
It's
For boys?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I got my Target. As you can see, the bags. I'll do a little haul for you guys later. And then I returned one item. Now I have to go to another place to return this. So now I'm gonna have to go to a UPS store to return an Amazon purchase. Let's head to Walmart first. We got more safari animals. Now we're gonna go look for the eggs. Eggs. Some eggs. Another that connects sands. Doggy dig. Looks fun, huh?
Dinosaur?
Yes, dinosaur. That's dope. Okay, so my kids are sleeping in the back. I just ran into the UPS store and dropped off the package. Went through the Asian store really quick to grab some like kimchi dumplings, and there's this like frozen Korean bulgogi spicy pork. So I wanted to try that out. So that's what I got. And now I am heading home. Finally, I feel like that took forever.
Did Daddy walk? I don't want to video. No, I don't want to. 이거 봐, 줘요. Go away.
That is the wrong way.
No.
So, a little baby for Irina. Here's a little toy. Matchbox Action Drivers, the farm house edition. So stay tuned to our other channel, which is VueBox Adventures. These kids will be unboxing these, so definitely check that out. I'll just show you everything that we got. So here's the first bag. This is Walmart. We went to the grocery side. So we got the Better Goods whole milk Greek yogurt strawberries and cream. It's a new brand at Walmart, so check it out. I'll let you know if it's good or not. Callan requested it, so I got it. And then also tuna. I got a pack of 4, and I bought 3 of these because we eat. Let's see what else. This is just our Cox equipment. I guess I paid for these, so these are mine to keep. I have some more toys that we're going to be unboxing again on the VueBox Adventure channel. And then I have a whole bunch of these like dinosaur eggs that they get to crack open. And this is the dragon egg. So I have a bag full. Again, it's going to be on the kids channel, so keep your eyes out on it. Next thing, we got some protein powder. This is the one that my babe and I drink. It's the whey protein, the vanilla ice cream flavor. This lasts us for like a good month and a half, almost 2 months. So, of course, some Monsters energy drink, the 0 sugar. I don't drink this, but my babe does, so this is for him. Some bananas, donut. This is the apple fritters for the kids. A little treat. Strawberries, tomatoes, the little cherry tomatoes, a whole bunch of jalapenos because I use this for the ground beef and my salmon. And then a zucchini, just one zucchini. Of my baby's yogurt. It just has a very high protein. The milk that my kids drink. I think this is the last bag from Walmart. I just have the Johnsonville Better Cheddar Smoked Sausage. Renzo loves these and Irina does too, so I have to buy 2 packs. And here's the salmon that I'll be cooking tonight. And then I went to the Asian market. I just grabbed like 3 things, nothing much. I got some dumplings, frozen dumplings. This is the bulgogi Korean barbecue spicy pork that I wanted to try. It's already like seasoned and marinated, so I'm gonna thaw it out and just put it on the pan, fry it, and see how that tastes like. And then this cabbage kimchi. I don't know how to make kimchi from scratch, so I have to buy it from the store. But this is the best brand we've tried so far. Let me show you a better view. And then also stopped by at Target. We shopped there for an hour. That's dangerous because I had a lot of errands to run and I had these 2 little kids, so it took longer than necessary. But I needed tape so that way I can tape the label for my Amazon returns. I bought some shirts for Irina, so here's this one. Here is another one. Here is another one. This is a long sleeve, so getting ready for the fall and winter. Here's another very cute one. I love the floral, the color, everything about it's cute, and even the little.
You know what this?
It's not ruffle, but it's not like a straight thing. And then of course I got some makeup. I got the Morph 2 blush, and it's color Pink Please. I also got another refill of the Firework Maybelline mascara in very black or darkest black in waterproof. That's my go-to. It's my new favorite mascara. It makes my lashes like look like fireworks. So, and then I also got this Sun and Done Smooth Gliding Bronzer Stick. Want to try that? Never tried it before. Another refill. This is the NYX the Brow Glue. I use this on my brows. And then I also bought these little foundation sponges. It's good to keep these. So.
No, touch it. And I want it.
Here is
I wanted it.
blazer. It was on clearance, so I was like, it's in my size.
I want it.
I know it doesn't look as great
no.
but it is.
Oh no! Oh no!
The neutral plain blazer.
Oh no! No.
To dress up
Like
a dress set, and then just some little washcloth towels.
I want it, Mom. I want it.
That is it. So that's my little haul.
I want it.